familiar call for fruit time rings out. And on the edge of Bangamat Island, orangutans begin to gather on one of several feeding platforms. The fruit delivery comes daily, but it's just a supplement to the food these older orangutans forage for in the jungle on their own. Fina is becoming wilder and prefers to eat her booty in the trees. But Bruni chooses the platform, along with Pig and Lupu. The three females are soon joined by 13-year-old Jaka, a big dominant male here on Bangamat Island, who uses his status to get the best seat at the table. In the wild, adult males live solitary lives and would never sit and eat with a group of females like this. These orangutans won't be fully grown adults till they're around 15 years old. But this peaceful food sharing is a testament to the bonds they've forged growing up together as orphans. Rowo, another of the older females here, arrives and seems hesitant. But Jaka signals that she can join in. In the canopy above, female Kadek doesn't seem happy to be left out of lunch. Her kiss squeaks may sound cute, but they're actually a sign of agitation. Jaka takes little notice, so Kadek leaf wipes her eyes. It's a known sign of frustration for orangutans. Rescued when she was 3.5, Kadek was too wild to go to jungle school, so she missed out on bonding with her island mates when she was younger. Now, she's reluctant to join the others on the platform. But this may not be a bad thing. The Technices watch her closely. At each visit, they monitor the orangutan's behavior. Since 2012, over 250 orangutans have been chosen from these islands to be released back into protected areas of true wilderness. In the wild, orangutans are considered semi-solitary apes, unlike their highly social cousins, the chimpanzees. Adults rarely spend time together, unless they're mating, or females who occasionally hang out with related females. Kadek and the other pre-release students must figure out this specific hierarchy on their own, as they would in the wild after they leave their mothers. Kadek, avoiding conflict and being opportunistic, shows that she's already on the right track. Rowo's still hungry, but she's got better table manners. She pulls the branch to her like fruit kebab sticks she learned to forage with in jungle school. Technese's observations of these orangutans will help determine who will be chosen next to be released into the wild.